Namaskar. Hello, welcome to learn Kubernetes. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform designed to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Kubernetes is an open source, free, निःशुल्क, निस्वार्थ. Kubernetes is an open source container. A container is a hollow object that can hold something, especially to carry it or store it. Example, a container can be a box, bottle, cartoon, crate, or can. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration. Orchestration is the coordination and management of multiple computer system, application, and or services stringing together multiple tasks in order to execute a larger workflow or process. These processes can consist of multiple tasks that are automated and can involve multiple systems. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform designed to automate the deployment. Process deployment is a series of methodical procedures for introducing a particular process or activity to all applicable areas of the working environment within an organization. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform designed to automate the deployment, scaling, measuring, and assigning object to number according to management of containerized applications. Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform designed to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Introducing our exclusive weekend tutorial batch on Microsoft Azure 104. Join us every Saturday and Sunday starting November 18th for a dynamic online learning journey into the world of Microsoft Azure. Master the fundamentals of Azure cloud computing, acquire expertise in Azure security, optimize your skills for Azure governance. Don't miss this opportunity to level up your cloud expertise on your weekends. Enroll now and embark on your Azure adventure. Thanks for watching.